Hello everyone. Um, this video is just basically about quotation app I recently created. If you want this application, you can actually just contact me, or you can just leave a comment in the in the comment section below. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, or for more apps that you'd like for me to design for you. All right. Anyway, so basically, this app is was designed with Google Sheets, and we used the script. Um, so if we come to the app, you open up the app like this. This is what you'll see, and you have a client section where you can add your clients there, and you can go back to the menu, and you can click on that to go back. Obviously, I can always modify it to suit your needs. If you want buttons, I can also put buttons in there. Okay, so let's go to the quotation. So we're going to create a quotation. In order for us to generate a quotation, we need the employee, we need the services, and we also need the client. Okay, so when you go to quotation, you'll see that there's a quotation, or there's already a quotation existing. So I'm just going to click on this button here, clear, to clear all the content. Okay, so there are only a few sections that you're actually going to be dealing with, and that is, first of all, the date. So you're going to put probably today's date or any date of your choice. For this example, I'm going to use the 5th of August, and the quotation is quotation 2. Okay, you'll notice that the moment you use a quotation number, it will disappear, and after you did generate this quotation, so that you only have you only use that quotation number once, or quotation ID once. Okay, and then we're going to choose, you're not going to enter anything here at customer ID. You are simply going to first select your date, your name, you the who is generating this quotation. For this one, I'm going to use Lucas, and you can notice that the name will update, the contact details will update on the left side. And then you put in your client's name. For this tutorial, I'm going to use Sapiso as an example. You see her details appears there, and her customer ID appears automatically there. So you only choose those three options, and everything will be generated for you. Okay, so then you have that, and then you can have uh, your what are you selling to this customer, for instance. um okay, so let me just quickly go to the service, and because there's a service here that is missing, so let's just put in a service here: hacking computer studies projects. uh I'll just put in brackets there, single child. Okay, and for that I would charge, let's say, $150. Okay. um, and then just copy and paste that in here as well, and that will be maybe for group. Okay, and then I will obviously charge 100. So if I have 5 kids, then it will be 5 times 100. Okay. Okay, so let's go back to the quotation. Let's see if it has updated. And if I go up here, down here, you can see single child is there. And if I'll say one quantity, then it's supposed to update here. Okay, let's start over again. So I'll just clear that again quickly. Let's see. All right. So I'm gonna enter a date again as usual. Today's date, or you can choose another date that you prefer. And you can see automatically the date is added here. 6 days is added to the validity of the quotation. Okay. Then we're gonna choose a quotation number 2. Then we're going to choose a customer. Okay, let's first choose your name. Doesn't matter, you can do it in any order that you prefer. Uh, So I'll choose Lucas, and you can see my number automatically updates there. And then if I choose a customer, then the contact details updates here, and the customer ID also updates. Okay. Then we come in here and we choose, for instance, project there, and we select one. And if we come in here and we select group, so let's say per child, that will be $100. If it is 5 kids, then it's 500. But for now, it's just one. Okay, then automatically it gives me a total at the bottom there. Um, and then this is now the big part. So we click on export to PDF, and then it will export this. It's running a script up there, as you can see. And then it finishes. Once it finishes the script, you click on this is quotation 2, so we're supposed to find quotation 2. See, and then we click on this link here. Click here to view quotation. Then it takes you to the folder, and then there you'll find the quotation 2. If you open it up there, you see how it looks like, and you can then share it with the customer, and by email or whatsoever. So you can just share that quotation there. Okay, so that's done. And if I go back now, let's say I want to clear this and I want to create another one. Okay, now let's say we select the date, and just click today, and then we come in here. You'll notice that quotation 2 is gone. So it's that means it has already been used, and you can no longer use quotation 2 because it's already generated. So if you want that quotation, you just have to click on that link and go back and get it. Okay. Yes. Okay. So I've just modified it in that way. All right. I hope you like this. Please hit a like there, subscribe to my channel, and just leave a comment in the comment section if you'd like this application, or you like more applications that you'd like, and then I will generate them for you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a great day.